Last year we tried something different, a race on the ground versus a race in the skies. My trusty Mitsubishi Lancer took on Anna's Super Decathlon in a thrilling dash from Olympia, Washington to our home base, Pitt Meadows. It was a clash of horsepower and horsepower. A car designed for a road against a plane built for the sky. I gave it everything I had, pushed the limits of my Lancers. But let's face it, the road don't run as straight as flight path. The Decathlon has the advantage of cutting through the air, while I was stuck with the spotlight, detour, and traffic jams. In the end, the sky triumphed over the road. I lost the game, but the race was unforgettable. A reminder of just how versatile and exciting aviation can be. And this year, I'm trading a wheel for wings and stepping it up with a Boeing 737. Will the tables turn, or will Anna soar to victory once again? Get ready for an epic showdown in the sky. From the high-altitude beauty of Truckee, California, to our home base, Pitt Meadows, British Columbia. Anna takes on the challenge in the Super Decathlon, a lightweight two-seater aerobatic champion, but can it handle the long haul over the mountains? On the other hand, there's me in the Boeing 737, a commercial jetliner with power to cruise at over 500 knots and cover thousands of miles. But this isn't a direct flight. I'll be stopping in San Francisco for a quick layover. Will the detour give Anna the advantage? 2 planes, 1 goal. To be the first to Pitt Meadows. Who will claim the victory in this year? Buckle up, it's time to find out.
What are we doing
We
tomorrow?
have to cool down.
Tomorrow we're going back home.
We're gonna
we'll
race. We're gonna race.
Yeah. So,
737 vs Super Decathlon.
so who do you think wins?
Put your bet on first.
So we are dropping Jack off at Reno for his flight back home in the 737. Alex and I will be departing from Truckee to Redmond and then back to Boundary Bay. So in time we'll be landing in or arriving to Boundary Bay. What do we say?
I cannot do the math right now. It's so exhausted.
We'll update you on the way. Okay, good morning. 4:45 a.m. and we are leaving the hotel right now to drop off Jack at Reno. So Jack's time starts ticking.
I'll see you in Boundary Bay.
See you in Boundary Bay, Jack. Have a safe trip.
Yeah, you too. Have a safe flight. Have fun. Okay, the time now is 5:30 a.m. and I just got my boarding pass. Boarding time is 6 a.m. Departure time is 6:30, so it should be 30 minutes ahead, earlier than Anna's departure. Because I hope it buys me some time, and I'll see you there. Oopsie, I forgot to return the car key to them, so they have to turn around and pick it up. It buy me more time, but I feel sorry to them. Sorry, Anna. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
The attempt to sabotage the other team comes with a 1-hour penalty.
I give you 10 minutes.
We were driving more than that. It's
37? 38?
I was going to like 6:38, and we're leaving the hotel right now. So same spot as Jack started, and see you, Jack, in Boundary Bay.
Yeah, we'll see you. So we are doing the flight plan from US back to Canada over here on the app that they have in US. So here is all the information about our flight plan, time en route, departure, arrival, and we just click right here on file and it creates the flight plan. So
And I just phoned CanPass because it looks like we're making good time, so I updated that we would arrive to Boundary Bay earlier than originally planned.
Awesome.
It looks like we are beating Jack after all.
We're gonna win.
.655, strapped in and ready to start the engine.
Ready to go.
Time now is 7:30. Just arrived Auckland. So one more flight to Bellingham. And let's see where Anna is. They are somewhere ahead of us. Okay. At this moment, I want to explain something. In this trip, I have to go back to San Francisco first, and then heading back to north to Bellingham. Meanwhile, Anna and Alex just all the way to the north, and then approaching to Boundary Bay for clearing the custom. So when I arrive San Francisco, they're pretty close to their first stop.
Hello, we landed in Redmond. Alex had to run quickly inside, so I'm giving my position report by myself this time, but trust me, he's here too.
I just landed at Bellingham. As you can see, Anna is still flying, approaching to the border. At this moment, I'm winning. It was so close, but they are gonna win anyway. Oh, they are approaching. I'm arrived too. Better catch up.
Hi, we just landed in Boundary Bay, and the landing was 12:55, but we still have to clear customs.
There's one good thing. As a backpacker, you don't need to wait for the baggage. You can just walk away and run. Hey baby, I'm back. Hope I don't need a jump start. Come on, let me out. Thank you.
Hello, this is Canadian Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Golf. We landed 5 minutes ago in Boundary Bay. And here it is, 13:04. We cleared customs in Boundary Bay.
We won!
We waited for you, Jack.
Sounds like they already cleared the custom, so well, they won.
Hello?
Home sweet home.
We are back from Truckee back to Pitt Meadows.
This was a great trip. Here we are. Here's the proof. Canadian Flight Center. We are on the ground.
Happy and safe.
Happy and safe. Hungry.
Oh yeah. Don't get
And we arrived home faster than a 737.
yeah,
We're good.
good job. Super Decathlon.
Way to go.